Today's short analysis video we will discuss on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is trading near to an important support level, and that if that level get break, then we may see there is a downside momentum for in short term. So first of all, if you'll see, this was an supporting trend line, which already this was a short term supporting trend line, and it's already get break. If you'll see over here, this is this is a point where we got the breakdown of this, but still we haven't received the closing basis. But once, if this closing of this candle comes below this trend line, then this will be a first negative signal that short term supporting trend line been got break by the Bitcoin. And after that, the very important support, the first lower swing, which comes near over to this area, if you'll see, then this is a first supporting swing. If you'll see this chart, it's going with the swing. This is called, we call it as a swing. So if this is a first swing which will come into the threat, if this swing get break on closing basis, then it will be an opportunity to short sell, and very soon we will see Bitcoin will be reaching to the target of 86,200 to the level of 84,700, $84,700 to $86,200. But my dear friends, you have to wait to break below this neckline. We have to wait to break below this neckline, which is very much important, because that's a strong support zone. That is a support zone of the first lower swing, which is at 90,300. And if the stock, if the Bitcoin takes support, and if the support is weak, then there is a possibility that it may make an head and shoulder pattern, and then head and shoulder pattern will get trigger and it will come down. So even if it's give the even if it's take the support, then don't blindly buy the Bitcoin unless it gives closing about to this high. All right, so I hope you understand each and everything, my dear friends. Bitcoin is near to an important support, and if that support get break, once again I'm clearing everything, this is a very important support, and if this support get break, then it will be an opportunity to short sell for a target of 86,200 to $84,700. And if it's take a support, and if you'll find coming to 1 or 2 days there is a green candle over here, then don't blindly buy unless this higher swing get break. Once this higher swing get break, then only it will be an opportunity to buy, because there is a probability that it will take a weak support and it may form the structure like a head and shoulder. And now, since this trend line has been broken down, since this trend line has been broken down, so even if it's take a support and it will go up, this trend line will act as an rejection. So there is a high probability that it may form a right shoulder over here, so it will turn into an head and shoulder pattern, and then it will trigger here. So this is it for today's analysis for Bitcoin. You have to be very cautious. You have to initiate a buy position only once it close above $97,740. This is an area. Buy should be initiated after the closing above red line. All right, and short you can initiate if it's closed below $90,380. So this is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.